Masters Roofing has always been our own brand, but I always been at the forefront of promoting it on social. So people know me as Andrew. But I had a roof company, RoofingIndustry, approached me, and they said, "Hey, I want you to market my product. I'm coming to you as a fan, of your content. I want to go ahead and work with you." People always ask me, like, how do you persevere and get through the hard times when it comes to producing social media content? And at the end of the day, it's always been a passion for me. And I suggest that if anyone's just looking to make money out of it, it's going to be annoying and eventually you're going to give up. But if you're able to sit there and make it a hobby, drones always been a hobby for me to fly it up. It's my favorite part of my day. Even though I'm out selling roofs every day, flying my drones is always a little pit stop out of my day that I look forward to.
Hey, what's up, roofing fam? Welcome to one more episode from Roofers Going Digital TV in the IRE, and this time we are doing interview number 2 with my good friend Andrew from Master Roofing. Andrew, how are you, my man?
Fantastic. It's always a pleasure, Pancho.
Thank you very much, man. And I'm happy to see you because every time we see each other, we do an interview. The last one was amazing.
Oh yeah, it's been a long time too, and it's a rare occasion when I get to an expo, but it's always a good time.
What do you think so far, Andrew, of this IRE?
It's fantastic. It's always a lot of booths to get to, but this is the first time that I'm actually working a booth with RoofingIndustry.
Okay.
And so being able to see my effect on that brand, because as a roofing contractor, I never really stepped out and did marketing for anyone else. So being able to work with RoofingIndustry and to see how much that brand has grown and to see the expectations of the owner change, he's like, man, I just can't believe the turnout that we had this year, and we're only on day 2.
I think, Andrew, all these roof vent is a new thing that I didn't know that you were doing. Can you tell us what is the Andrew brand and everything that you are doing right now with all these collaborations?
Yeah, so Masters Roofing has always been our own brand, but I always been at the forefront of promoting it on social. So people know me as Andrew. But I had a roof company, RoofingIndustry, approached me, and they said, "Hey, I want you to market my product. I'm coming to you as a fan, of your content. I want to go ahead and work with you." And so I said, well, first you have to prove it's a great product that I want to use first more than anything. So he actually sat me down and we went at it on why roof vents are better than ridge vent, which I was using at the current time. And he humbled me on how little I actually knew about ventilation, and taught me a few new things. And so we worked out a deal and started promoting their products and doing my drone videos and talking about the products. And that was my first taste of being able to do that for a company.
Nice. Are you working with other companies right now, Andrew?
I got another one that's in the works. It's a Luminail. Okay. It's an illuminating nail, so you can actually, it's a orange coated nail, so you can actually see it. It's highly visible in the grass. Okay. And it also lights up under black light too. Oh, so if you see a shiner on a roof where a nail is low, it prevents leaks in the future. And then on low slope areas, it can be installed because it's coated in paint. When that water backs up underneath the shingles, instead of absorbing and causing a leak, it's able to pond, and it actually, even when that water ponds, it doesn't rust out the nail. And at the end of the day, it's just a better solution to be able to nail on those low slope areas.
Damn, those 2 products looks really interesting, Andrew.
Yeah, it's been the Luminail has been the talk of the town. I mean, I've had so many contractors reach out over the years as it's been developed. It's on the 5th and final iteration. And so it's been a long time coming to market, but they actually pulled up the map the last time we met of all the people that reached out off of the videos I'd done in the past for them. And it was just amazing how many people I had personal connections with. People that watch my podcast and send me videos of them holding their baby as they're feeding their baby, watching the podcast that I did. And it's just that personal connection is always what's been the most important thing to me.
For sure. Andrew, going back to the IRE and everything that you are seeing right now, what do you think are the biggest trends that you are seeing in this event this year?
Going digital.
Going digital.
Yeah. I mean, you're seeing AI sweep in and is reorganizing the way CRMs are put together. We just implemented a system called Predictive AI that has been helping us with targeted ads. So for the first time, I'm actually monetizing and getting leads in neighborhoods. And it's just so specific. And it's amazing that they can do that with AI already. You know, it's still so young.
Nice. Andrew, what are some recommendations based on all your expertise that actually, man, I have seen your latest videos, your latest drone videos, man. They are another level, man.
Thank you. It's a passion.
Yes.
You know, that's the thing. People always ask me, like, how do you persevere and get through the hard times when it comes to producing social media content? And at the end of the day, it's always been a passion for me. And I suggest that if anyone's just looking to make money out of it, it's going to be annoying and eventually you're going to give up. But if you're able to sit there and make it a hobby, drones always been a hobby for me to fly it up. It's my favorite part of my day. Even though I'm out selling roofs every day, flying my drones is always a little pit stop out of my day that I look forward to. And so it's a hobby that turned into a side profession for me. And it's just constantly working at it, keep putting effort into making it the best content possible. And just having fun with it too. I don't take it too seriously. You know, everyone thinks like it's the most important piece of content you're making today. You got to understand tomorrow's a new day anyway. So the content you're making today, you want to maximize your reach. You want to look at the performance and the results of it and say, okay, did it work or did it not work? And then the next day, it's a new day to produce a new piece of content.
Nice. Andrew, a lot of people that is seeing us right now is already your follower, have seen your content. What recommendations for the people that is saying like, Andrew, how do you do it? What do you recommend me? What are some recommendations that you can give to our audience?
You got to be able to communicate with people. And at the end of the day, that's the thing I see most slept on in our industry is you have a lot of influencers, you have a lot of roofing companies that make great content. But when people comment on their posts, they don't comment back. There's no connection there. And that's the thing. There's people that have my personal phone numbers. There's people that know that they can reach me anytime in my DMs, and it's really me answering. So if a lady's having a problem, this is actually a real situation. Leah the Roof Monkey, I'll give her a shout out. She's on Instagram. She reached out to me and she was having issues with her insurance company approving a roof. She said, Andrew, I'm having issues with this problem. You know, can you help me solve it? And it took me 3 paragraphs to explain, but hopefully I help her get a new roof out of it, you know? So being able to spend that personal time and make that personal connection ultimately creates raving fans, you know, which gets you further down the road. You know, the more people that are engaging with your content every single day, the more overall reach you're going to get. I call it base engagement.
Base engagement. All right. So the recommendation is have good communication and engagement and focus on relationships.
And be authentic. You know, that's the thing. Everyone wants to put together a commercial. It's not always about putting together a commercial. It's about creating real authentic things that people feel like they're not looking at a commercial. You know, the opposite of what a commercial is. So that's what really catches people's attention.
Be natural too.
Yes, and you're seeing it with TikTok. You're seeing it, how many times you go on TikTok and you see a little stay-at-home mom promoting a sweeper that she's selling, and she's able to make a living off of doing that now. That's the crazy thing about living in 2025 is that you can make money on the internet, you know? But it's through real, authentic communications. It's not a commercial.
I love it. Andrew, where can our audience follow you or contact you so like you can grow your audience?
mastersroofing.memphis on Instagram. If you guys don't follow me, I put up content almost every single day. I don't think I miss a day, hardly ever.
Nice, that's another secret.
And you can follow me at Drew Itnour on on Facebook and LinkedIn as well. Love to connect with you guys there.
Nice. Andrew, thank you very much for this.
Thank you, brother. I always appreciate
this interview, and peace, fam.